Welcome to the John Olson Advanced Manufacturing Center. I'm Joe Abbott. I'm a senior who works here. Let me show you around. This is our robot arm that we have here at the Olson Center. Right now it's being used by Madco, one of our industry partners who does concrete 3D printing. This is used by all different students for a lot of research projects as well as just general manufacturing. This over here is our abrasive water jet cutter. It is probably our most used tool machine we have here. It's one of our most used items used for senior projects as well as industry projects. You name it, we've probably cut it on this. Over here is where our industry partners have. We have two big ones over here. Speed 3D is one of them. Partners like this help us as students get invested into those either companies, get a better understanding of how this field works outside of college. This over here is our incremental forming forward machine. This allows us to press out metal shapes. We've used it for things as big as a car engine hood or as small as a brace that fits on a skull. This over here is our vacuum tank that we have. It's being used by Ben Mitchell, one of our professors who's working on his project for this. It's also being used for some senior projects that need zero atmosphere environments. Over here is our main milling area that we have. We have three main milling machines, one 5-axis mill, one 3-axis mill, and a lathe. Big parts, small parts, you name it, we've cut it over here. This over here is our new clean room that we just put in. It's mainly going to be used for space projects with some of our industry partners due to their need for a ultra clean environment we can get using this clean room. Right over here is our testing area that we have. We have a lot of different torsional tests. These are used mostly for material testing, which is where we take parts and we almost break them. Some small little metal samples to see how strong they are, as well as bolts that we use on aircrafts. So right over here are our 3D printing area. We have a couple different 3D printers. The two big ones we use are mainly our Bamboo over here and our Prusas. We use these for all different things, but a lot of it is for rapid prototyping because we're able to quickly take a design we have and get it printed and just see how that works. Right here is our ferro arm that we have, where you can use this to scan different parts in and see how they look. And using those, we can actually then take those and 3D print it and recreate different parts. As you can see here, one of the things we have, artifact of a pipe that we have. And we're able to scan it using this and then recreate it in 3D print.